Hi, if you're wondering whether the Google Pixel Watch 3 works with Samsung phones, let me give you an answer. So, I got my Samsung S22 Ultra with me, and to check whether we can connect this Google Pixel Watch 3 to the Samsung or not, we just need to open Play Store, tap on Search Apps tab, and enter Pixel Watch. So here you should find this app, meaning that we can connect our watch. So as you can see, mine are already connected. We can see status connected, its battery percentage, and everything is working just fine. So the answer is yes, Google Pixel Watch 3 works with Samsung phones. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.